Hello, today we will guide you through how to import CSV into GnuCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what to click, and what to look for as you bring a CSV file into your GnuCash books. Before we begin, make sure you have your CSV ready and that it's formatted the way you expect. If the file came from a bank or spreadsheet, check that columns use clear headers and that dates and amounts are consistent. It's also a good idea to save your GnuCash file first so you can easily revert if needed. Start by opening the GnuCash application. Give it a moment to load your existing file or create a new one if you're just getting started. With the main window in view, move your attention to the top left area of the interface. On most systems, you'll see the File menu either at the top of the application window or in your system's menu bar. Click File to open the menu. This reveals a list of actions, including options for creating, opening, and importing data. Move your mouse over Import and pause for a second. You'll see several import choices appear. This is where GnuCash groups the tools for bringing outside information into your books. Choose the option to import accounts from a CSV file. This path is ideal when your CSV defines your chart of accounts or includes account attributes such as names, types, and parent relationships. If your CSV is structured differently, the on-screen assistant will still help you line things up, but selecting the account's import keeps the process focused on building or updating your account structure. From here, follow the on-screen procedure. The assistant will guide you through selecting your CSV file, choosing the right delimiter, and confirming that the first row is a header if your file includes column names. Next, you'll map each CSV column to the appropriate GnuCash field, such as account name, type, code, description, parent, and currency. Take your time here. Accurate mapping ensures accounts appear in the correct hierarchy and with the right commodities. If you see a preview panel, review it carefully to confirm that names, types, and parents look correct and that there aren't unintended duplicates. Pay attention to date, a number, and decimal settings if they're offered, and make sure the currency matches your books. When everything looks right, continue through the assistant to complete the import. After it finishes, scan your Accounts tab to verify the structure and confirm totals look reasonable. Finally, save your file to capture the changes. That's it. Your CSV is now imported into GnuCash.